So you think you were right?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abra, and here on this channel I do everything about cleaning, cooking, organizing and motherhood. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please consider to subscribe and let's stay connected.
Don't cry about it. Don't cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust. Oh no, you know that I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance.
Hey friends, welcome to my 2022 fall decorate with me. This is actually the part 3 of my fall decorating videos, so if you haven't watched the part 1 and part 2 yet, they will be linked in the description down below. Make sure you check them out after you're done watching this one.
When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface.
In today's video, I decided to decorate my kitchen island in 3 different ways. First, to challenge myself and see what I can come up with, and second, to give you guys different options on how to decorate your place, knowing that we all have different tastes when it comes to decorating. I hope one of these styles will match your decorating style or be close enough. If so, be sure to let me know in the comment below which style was your favorite. And without wasting any time, let's get started with style number 1.
Butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry.
For this style number 1, I'm going to be working with this beautiful vase that I picked up from Target, as well as my wooden tray, it's a Lazy Susie, and this floral that I've already have in the house.
You remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon. And let me tell you what I found.
This little ceramic pumpkin was from the dollar store. It was $1.25 and it comes in different colors.
Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you,
I did struggle a little bit with these flowers to make them look the way I wanted to.
so much farther. Beyond the horizon.
So guys, this is the final look of style number 1. Let me know in the comment below what you think about it.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me.
Moving on to style number 2, this is what I'm going to be using. I got them from Carolina Pottery, and here I'm just trying to show you guys the price.
What you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave.
And to be honest with you guys, this particular style wouldn't be my first choice when it comes to decorating my kitchen for fall, but like I said, I'm trying to challenge myself, so let's see what I come up with.
We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Close around.
And so guys, this is how style number 2 turned out. It is simple yet beautiful, and I am so proud of myself for coming up with something like this. I'm so glad I stepped out of my comfort zone to create something new, try something new, and I am so in love with it. It's so beautiful. You guys, let me know your thought about style number 2. Do you think it looks good just the way it is, or do you think I should have removed something or added something? Let me know in the comment below.
Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want.
This is the size of my island, and I think it looks pretty good on it. So for those who are looking for something simple, they want to decorate but they don't want to overdo it, I think this style will be perfect. For our third and last idea, we're going to be using this floral that I got from Home Goods for $9.99 and $14.99, and this beautiful vase that I already have in the house. I've used this vase so many times in my previous videos. You know guys, decorating can be expensive sometimes, so just look around your house and use stuff that you already have. You don't always have to go in the store buy new stuff every time you need to decorate. So just use the stuff you already have, just switch them up and make them look different and new again.
Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La, 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La, la,
And before we move on, if you can please go ahead and like this video for me, I will really appreciate it because it does help the channel grow.
I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you.
This is our beauty number 3. It is beautiful. Even though it doesn't have all the warm fall colors, I think it still looked nice. And then what I like the most about it is the size of the floral. They're really tall and they match perfectly with the size of the vase. And I think this is the perfect size for my kitchen island.
I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
This is an overview of all 3 styles put side by side. I think they all beautiful, they all look beautiful, but my favorite is style number 1 because I like the pop of color the floral has. It is beautiful, it's really warm color, it's screaming fall, and I think it pops very well. And my number 2 will be style number 2. I'm just so proud of myself for trying something new. It is really beautiful. I think it turned out really good, and it reminds me of the transitionary stage of fall to winter where you don't see much color anymore.
Let me be that sun.
And the third one is style number 3, only because it's more of my everyday kind of style, so I don't think I did much there. but it still look beautiful. But it's nothing new to me. I'm so used to using this kind of style already. So yeah, let me know guys in the comment below which one was your favorite. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you on my next one.
All that time